Struggling to find the right wiring harness for your Chevy? You're not alone. Installing a car radio can get complicated, especially when compatibility issues pop up or instructions are missing. What if you could skip the guesswork and get a harness that just works, without extra costs or confusing features you don't need? That's exactly what this 24-pin wiring harness offers. Designed for 2000 Chevy Tracker, Metro, and Prism models, it's also a reliable fit for your 2004 Chevy Silverado. One user shared how frustrating it was to find a compatible harness for their Silverado. Amazon even warned it wouldn't fit. But this harness proved otherwise. The secret? It includes an additional red 12 volts accessory wire that makes all the difference. By running this wire from the deck harness to the fuse box, tapping into the windshield wiper fuse, the radio powered up perfectly. The user's experience highlights the importance of having clear instructions and the right accessories to avoid common installation headaches. What you get is a hassle-free connection that integrates seamlessly with your car's existing wiring. No need to spend $50 or more on fancy features you won't use. Just straightforward, dependable performance that lets your radio work as it should. Worth a look if you're ready to upgrade your car audio without the frustration. Try it when you're ready and enjoy a smooth install with the peace of mind that comes from a proven solution.